In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do user journey mapping in Miro. We'll start right from the beginning on a fresh Miro board. So first, open Miro in your browser or desktop app and create a new board. You can choose a blank board so you have a clean space to work with. This will be the canvas where your entire user journey map will live, so give it a moment to load and zoom out a bit so you can see plenty of space. Once your new board is open, look for the templates option. Depending on your layout, this is usually along the toolbar at the top or on the side of the screen. Click on Templates to open the template library. Using a template is a great way to jumpstart your journey mapping because it gives you a structure you can customize instead of having to build everything from scratch. When the template library opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and start typing. Here, you'll want to search in a way that brings up user journey mapping templates. Begin by typing a simple keyword like journey or highlight, as shown in the guide you're following. As you type, Miro will filter the available templates in real time, narrowing the list to those that are relevant to user journeys and experience mapping. After a second or two, you should see a large set of results appear, including many labeled as user journey maps. What you're looking for is the group of templates that match user journey map. In the guide, this appears as hundreds of results, which means Miro has a lot of options for you. Go ahead and click on the section that shows the user journey map results. Once you click into that, Miro will display a variety of user journey map templates you can choose from. Each one has its own style, but they all follow the same basic idea: mapping out the steps a user takes, how they feel along the way, and where there are opportunities to improve. From here, you simply select the specific user journey map template you like, and it will be added to your board ready for you to customize with your own users, steps, and insights.